Hey up folks, just at a customer's house, and my job today is sorting a light in here. As you can see, it's quite dark in this area, so I'm going to fit a down light which should lighten it all up. He's already, but I don't want to have anything dropping down here that will get in the way of the mirror. So what I'll do is I'll just come off this pendant, bring the cable across, so off go in the loft, which is always good fun. And then I'm going to time see how long it takes to change a light, to fit a light bulb. I've just marked out where I want the downlight, and little tip, what I've used is off my Gecko magnet. So it just shows me where the timbers are above. To make sure I don't drill into one of those. Cracking bit of kit. The Gecko tool's dead good as well. Saved me so many times. Right, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to put it there. And that's in line with these. I know it opens up here, but I just think visually, as you're walking along, it'll work better. I think it'll look visually better having it there. So that's where I'm going to put it. Right, so what I'm going to do now is just time how long it takes me to fit a light bulb. There's the dust. Yeah, so just gone through there. Nice clean cut. They do stop the mess. If you haven't got one, recommend it. I've ran the cable in, so that's now in place. I haven't connected it in yet, because then I can connect this side up, and then I can do safe isolation. Right, I'm going to time myself on how long it takes me to do it. Starting now.
Be educated, but I'm so frustrated. Hello to my loneliness. I guess that ignorance is bliss. Take me back to before the new. Rewind, take it out of cue. Innocence can be a young man's game. Signed up for the hall of shame. I wish I knew.
Hopefully not the best light.
To be educated, but I'm so frustrated. Hello to my loneliness. I guess that ignorance is bliss. Take me back to before the new. Rewind, take it out of cue. Innocence can be a young man's game. Signed up for the hall of shame. I wish I knew.
Right, I'm going to stop the clock. 7 minutes 30. Not my fastest time, but it's in. Right, just go and switch it on now. Right, everything's working. There's a new light. Show you from down here. So as you can see, light all the way through now. Looks a lot better.